face of NutriCare Clinic, a lifestyle hospital. Shall we start now?
Yes.
What food should mother eat more during pregnancy to ensure healthy diet of a baby?
First of all, nutrient needs during pregnancy are higher than at any other time of the life cycle. Pregnant woman needs 300 calories more than the normal woman, and she needs 15 gram of protein more than the normal woman. Now, how can this achieve? This can be achieved by normal foods along with bajra, ragi, rajagra, dal and pulses, and some milk products. So they can increase intake of these type of foods in her diet. Normally, milk and milk products, pulses, dals are rich in protein, so she can eat more of these foods than she ate before. For non-vegetarian, meat, fish and eggs are also the good option for the protein. So they can increase protein and calories by intake of this type of good foods.
Next, are there any food mother should avoid or limit during pregnancy?
Yes, of course. She should limit cold drinks, packet foods, caffeine, sugar-free and sugar-free intake वाले जो भी foods हैं वो that are made from the sugar-free and alcohol. These type of foods she should limit in her diet.
How can mother make sure mother getting enough vitamins and minerals for both pregnant mother and baby?
Normally, she needs energy, protein more in her body. We talked earlier. With this, she needs B vitamins, iron, calcium, magnesium and zinc more in her diet. Now, how can she achieve? First of all, she should take a balanced diet for the whole day, from morning till night. She should eat 3 to 4 balls of green vegetables, 1 to 2 balls of fruits. She should eat complex carbohydrate like ragi, rajagra, bajra, and she should eat protein more in the form of milk and milk products, pulses and dal. If she eat these type of foods in her daily diet, she completes all the macro and micronutrients in her daily diet.
What are some easy and healthy snacks options to pregnant mothers?
Normally, the problem is in between the meals. You say, in between the lunch and dinner, the tea time, she can eat fruits, she can eat makhana, oats chivda, like high protein foods, roasted chana, nuts, and in the between breakfast and lunch time, she can drink some vegetable soup or juices, fruit juices, and normally she can use coconut water. This type of healthy food she can choose in between the meals. Most of a pregnant woman eats more of sweets in between this type of meals, but it is not recommended.
Should mother take any supplements during pregnancy, and if so, which one and in what doses?
Okay. Normally, supplements should be taken under the guidance of doctor, and it depends upon the biochemical reports, sign and symptoms. So, no can take supplements their own. Some supplements have adverse effects of toxicity also. So, it is specially taken under the doctor guidance.
Are there any specific meal planning tips or guidelines for a pregnant mother should follow and maintain a balanced diet while pregnancy?
Okay. First of all, she should not take any fasting. She should take in 5 to 6 intervals a day. The small foods, not heavy at one time. First of all, she start her day with the soaked peanuts, soaked nuts, or some water, the herbal water. She should not take tea, coffee first in the morning. She should take milk, the garam nasta like vegetable poha, veg upma, sevaiya, this type of healthy foods which include vegetables in it. Then in mid morning, we talked earlier that she can take the coconut water, fruits, this type of foods, boiled pulses. In lunch, the routine dal, sabji, rice, roti she can eat. No need to eat sweets with the meal. And at tea time, she can eat the healthy roasted nastas like roasted chiuda, oats chiuda, makhana, this type of healthy protein foods. Nuts, we talked earlier. And in dinner, she can eat healthy khichdi like foods. Always rice and dal combine each other, and it increases the protein. So she need protein more in her diet. So she can eat the rice dal khichdi, dalia dal khichdi, this type of oats khichdi, vegetable khichdi. She can eat the South Indian dishes, which is very healthy for her. And the routine Gujarati foods she can eat, but not deep fried and not too much of sugar and oily foods she needs. She needs the nutrient but not fat. So this would be taken by her.
Thank you, Zara ma'am, for giving us so much important information about Nutrition Week.